In addition to indexing, slicing is also supported. While indexing is used to obtain individual characters, slicing allows you to obtain substrings. For example, in my variable word, which is Python, I want to have from the first till the second character. And note how the start is always included, so 0 is included and the end always excluded. And there are also useful defaults in Python. An omitted first index defaults to 0. For example, when you here don't insert a value, but it's by default 0. If you omit a second index, defaults to the size of the string. So here you say everything from the beginning. Here you say everything from the beginning to the second character, which is excluded. So we just have index 0 and 1, which is pi. The second omitted index means so you start at index 4, which is included till the end. And if you can cat both together, it equals to the whole string. And if you want to get the length of a string, you can easily use the built-in function len. Just len, then open the brackets, insert a variable or the string, and it will return the number of characters within the string. So let's start with lists. Python in general knows a number of compound data types used to group together other values. The most versatile is the list, which can be written as a list of comma-separated values or items between square brackets, such as here. Lists might contain items of different types, but usually the items all have the same type. And like strings and other built-in sequence types, lists can be indexed and sliced. So here you can get the index 0, which equals to 1, which is our first element in our list. Or you can start from the right, so you will get the last item in our list, which is 25. So you can also get everything from the right till index -3, which are the last 3 items in our list. And very important when it comes to lists, all slice operations return a new list containing the requested elements. This means that the following slice returns a new shallow copy of the list. Here this is shallow copy. Lists also support operations like concatenation, and we can easily concatenate it with a plus sign and concatenate it with a new list. And all items in these two lists are concatenated within one list. You can also add new items at the end of the list by using the append method. So you are saying which list you want to append, call the append method, and insert the item which you want to append. And here successfully appended 216 to our list squares.